Right, imagine this, being billed for a medical product that you've never used.
It happened to the wife of a Sandy man who decided it was time to get Gephardt. This sounds outrageous.
It sure does, Deanie Ashley. And what we turned up is a massive scheme that is costing billions of dollars. And this Utah woman, just the latest victim.
Total of $15,500.
Gary Johnson discovered a discrepancy while examining his wife's Medicare statement.
It was for some urinary catheters, which my wife does not use, has never used.
Yeah, Medicare paid huge sums for the catheters that, not for nothing, also never showed up.
It showed a name of a doctor, of which I have no knowledge, and it showed a place that was supplying the catheters in El Paso, Texas.
Gary suspects fraud, and he asked me to investigate.
Lots of fraud going out there.
Indeed there is, says Jackie Smith.
So Medicare fraud is a big thing.
Smith runs Utah's Senior Medicare Patrol, which aims to protect Medicare recipients from fraud. Alas, that is not an easy job.
They're estimating about $60 billion worth of fraud every year through Medicare.
Huge money, and for whatever reason, urinary catheters seem to be a major tool for these con artists. Urinary catheter scams have become such a money loser that the Inspector General for the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services issued this notice warning folks to guard their Medicare numbers carefully.
Treat your Medicare card like a credit card.
I personally notified Medicare. And then
As for Gary, he's not out anything himself unless you count the tax dollars that we all pay to subsidize Medicare. Billions of dollars that he sure wishes would go to a better use than lining the pockets of crooks.
I hope that other people will carefully look at their explanation of benefits.
If you do suspect fraud, the feds say do not just ignore it. Report it, even if you're not sure. And Jackie says Utah's Senior Medicare Patrol has staff all over the state that can help you look at your bill and determine what is what. If you got a problem you can't solve, give me a shot at the number 385-707-6153, or you can email me, Matt@ksl.com.